In this video I am going to show you how to fix a paper jam in your Epson Workforce Pro 3820 printer. If we go to the printer display panel, you will see the information remove paper. I'll show you how to do all these steps. First we will take the paper tray out. So we can see this paper tray is stuck here for some reason. So if we look underneath, there is a page here that actually caused the paper jam. So we got it. Now slide it in the tray. Go to the back of the printer. There is a section to open. Just pull it out. Have a look. We cannot see any other paper stuck here. Now close this. Go to the front of the printer. Once you do it, click on the done. So the paper jam is clear. Thanks for watching.